Hello there, just a really quick video on the BBC Micro. I've just pulled it out of a game of a couple of things, and I found that the brake key and the whatever the hell that is key aren't working as they should. I mean, they're working intermittently at best, so the contacts probably need cleaning up. So I thought while I'm doing it, I might as well point a camera at it. It might come in handy for other people as well. I'm just waiting for the desoldering station to warm up, but effectively switches are mounted on this metal bracket, which then goes through to the circuit board at the back, so they need to be desoldered, the pins, and then pushed through from the front. So they're held in place either side by two little plastic clips. So when you remove them, these need to be squeezed together. The only way to do that is to get a screwdriver in through the top and just gently lever them backwards. Don't force anything because they're very brittle and they will go on you. Just take your time and it'll come out eventually. But the easiest way to clean these up, I find, is the two contacts. If you get a pair of pliers on them and just unscrew them, and they come right out. Easy peasy. Oh, it's come apart. There we go. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I know on the Electron they tend to glue them in place. So now we can get to the contacts. So let's take the spring out. What else have we got? I think, will that plunger come? Not sure. Anyway, I think that's as far as we need to go anyway. Let's just get some contact cleaner in there. And we can really just work it backwards and forwards now. Right, when you come to reassemble it, in the centre where the spring goes, there is a black pad. Make sure you don't lose that. And also make sure that the contacts are engaged. I don't know if you're going to see it very well on the camera, but there are two little plastic locator pegs. Just make sure everything's in place before you screw everything down. Okay, so the first one's back together. Seems to be functioning mechanically. Let's just make sure we're getting the open close on the circuit. So, read an open circuit, press the switch down, that's closing, release, open circuit. Yeah, lovely, that one's working. Okay, I'm going to do exactly the same with the other switch and then we'll get them back in the board. Alright, this can go back together. So these should just pop straight back in. He says, trying to line the holes up. Yeah. There we go. And we'll just solder them back in. Just be careful if you are going to do this, that there's some very, very delicate parts inside those switches and they're very, very easily damaged. So take your time and get it right. If something doesn't go back together easily, take it apart again and just make sure that nothing's popped out of alignment because it's very, very easy to do some damage. And everything should go back together nice and easily. If you've got to force something or it feels like you're getting a bit of resistance, check it. Anyway, that's those back. Right, let's put it back together and make sure everything works. Give it a whirl. And what have we got? Let's see. Oh, thank God that one works. Yep. Wonderful. All done. Hope that was useful to somebody. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one, probably in the new year now. Cheers. Bye.